Tell your boyfriend next time he's around to buy his own weed and don't wear my shit down. I wouldn't care if he would give me some more. I'd rather him leave you and leave him my draw. When you smoke all my weed, man, you got to call the green man so I can get mine and you get yours. Once is enough to make me attack, so bring me a pack and your man can't come back. I'll check him at the door, make sure he's got green. I'm tighter than airport security teams. When you smoke all my weed, man, you got to call the green man. Oh, it smells good in here, so I can get mine and you get yours. Let's hear a little solo from this bass player. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah, Jason. I'm my own man. So when will you learn that you've got to man? But I've gotta burn. I wouldn't mind if I would end up alone. I'd rather have myself smoke my own grown. Yeah, it's got me addicted. It's more than anything. Yeah, I can get mine and you get yours. Hey, I can get mine and you get yours. Yeah, man. Thank you for the applause. That feels such a warm welcome.
I said what I said, what I said, what I said. If you feel it in your chest, throw your hands, say it back. I said what I said, what I said, what I said. If they hating on your flex, turn your head, yell it back. Yo, I said what I said.